Have you ever tried to explain your daily work routine in English and suddenly felt stuck? You know what you do every day, but finding the right words feels difficult. Today, we're going to make that simple, natural, and confident. John. Hello, and welcome back to English Flow Podcast.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm John.
And I'm Emily.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English, the kind you actually use in daily life.
If you enjoy learning English through natural conversations, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow. Thank you so much.
Today, we're talking about a very common and very useful topic, your workday.
We'll share about our jobs, our daily routines, and the English people use to talk about their work life.
Let's get started.
So, John, how are you today?
I'm good, but a little tired today.
Why are you tired?
I woke up very early. My cat decided to wake me up at 5 in the morning.
Oh no, that's early.
Yes, he meows very loudly. It felt like a private concert just for me.
That's funny. My dog sleeps all day.
You're lucky. So, John, what did you do this weekend?
I went for a walk in the park. The weather was beautiful, and I read a good book.
That sounds peaceful. My weekend was very different. I visited my family. It was loud, but very fun.
Family time is always noisy, but special.
Exactly. And now I'm ready to talk about work.
So, John, what do you do?
I work in an office. I'm a customer support specialist.
That sounds interesting. What does that mean?
It means I help customers who use our company's product. If they have a problem, they contact me and I help them solve it.
So you talk to many people every day.
Yes, and every day is different. Some problems are easy, some are difficult.
So you have a desk job.
Yes, a desk job means I work at a desk in an office, mostly on a computer.
And what are your working hours?
I work from 9 to 5.
That's a very common phrase. It means from 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening.
John, what about you, Emily?
I'm an English teacher. My classes start at 8:30 in the morning.
That's early. Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am. I love quiet mornings. I usually wake up at 6.
Wow, I wake up at 7:30 and need coffee to feel awake.
Tell me about your typical workday. What do you do first?
First, I go to my desk and say good morning to my colleagues.
Colleagues are the people you work with.
Then I turn on my computer and check my tasks for the day. After that, I check my emails.
How many emails do you usually get?
Sometimes 20 or 30 every morning.
That's a lot.
Yes, so I answer the easy ones first. At 10 o'clock, we have a short team meeting.
What happens in the meeting?
Our team leader talks about the day and shares updates. The meeting is usually about 15 minutes.
What do you do after that?
My phone starts ringing and I begin talking to customers. Most customers are nice, but sometimes people are angry.
What do you do then?
I stay calm and listen carefully.
Do you get breaks?
Yes. After a few hours, I take a coffee break with my colleague. We talk about TV shows, weekend plans, and sometimes work.
What about lunch?
I usually have lunch around 12:30. Sometimes I eat in the office cafeteria, sometimes I bring lunch from home.
I do the same. Cooking after work can be tiring.
So, John, do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It can be stressful, but I enjoy helping people.
I feel the same about teaching. It's tiring, but very rewarding.
Rewarding means it makes you feel good and proud.
Every job has good parts and difficult parts.
The best part of my day is talking and laughing with my colleagues.
And the most difficult part?
When many customers call at the same time.
Now, let's review some useful work vocabulary.
Colleagues are the people you work with.
Commute is the travel between your home and your workplace.
Schedule is your plan for the day.
A report is a document with information about your work.
A deadline is the final time you must finish something.
And full-time means working many hours each week. Today, we showed you how to talk about your workday using simple English.
Now, it's your turn to practice. If you have a job, tell us what you do every day.
If you don't have a job right now, tell us about your dream job and why you like it.
Write your answer in the comments. Any practice is good practice.
Thank you for spending your time with us on English Flow Podcast.
Keep practicing, don't be afraid to make mistakes, and enjoy learning English.
Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.